Here the next question is we need to prove this sine square 5 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees and so on, sine square 85 degrees. All this sum is equal to 8.5. So by looking at this question, it looks a little bit complex, but need not to worry about it. We need not to know the values of sine 5 degrees, sine 10 degrees and all. If you are enough strong in basic concepts of the trigonometry, this question is a very simple question in fact. Okay, so let me write the LHS of the question, that is sine square 5 degree plus sine square 10 degree and so on. The last term is going to be sine square 85 degree. This sum of all these terms we need to prove, which is 8.5. Okay. For that, if you write all the values by using calculator, also you can prove that, but in fact, calculator is not allowed in all examinations. That's why we need to go with the basics of the trigonometry concepts. Okay. If you check the first angle and the last angle, 5 and 85, these two numbers together makes 90. Means there must be relation between this sine square 5 and sine square 85. So recall the concept of the basics of trigonometry. Here, every sine theta, you can write cos of 90 minus theta, right? This explained in my previous video. Every sine theta you can write as cos of 90 minus theta. By using this relation, let me take this 85 degrees for theta. Then sine 85 degrees you can write cos of 90 minus 85. That is going to be cos of 90 minus 85 is 5 degree. Then sine 85 degree is equal to cos of 5 degree, right? So here 5 and 85, this 85 we can write in terms of 5, means this is a sine square 5. If you write sine square 85 by using this, this will become cos square 5. Then sine square 5 degrees plus cos square 5 degrees, it will become 1. So this is a relation we are following here. But let us see how many terms matches with this. So 5 to 85, if I write all the values, just let me write for our understanding. Here I am writing how many values we get, such kind. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80 and 85. In fact, I don't suggest write all these values. You need to understand how many numbers can you write from 5 to 85. Okay. So, and we are taking two numbers whose sum is going to be 90. Why? Because one number we can express in terms of other number. Such numbers are sum of two numbers makes 90. How many pairs are there? We find out. 5 and 85, pair 1. And so I write just pair 1. And 10 and 80, sum 90, that is a pair 2. And 15, 75, it is a pair 3. 20 and 70, which makes sum 90, pair 4. And 25 and 65, it is a pair 5. 30 and 60, which makes 90, pair 6. 35 and 55 makes 90, pair 7. 40 and 50, whose sum 90 makes a pair 8. Means such kind of pairs we have totally 8 pairs. For first pair, when we take 5 and 85, this you are getting just let me write the first pair here. That is a sine square 5 degrees. And last one I'm writing, since sine 85 you can write as cos 5, then sine square 85 will become cos square 5. This is like sine square theta plus cos square theta, which gives 1, right? Means from the first pair we could get its value is 1, plus from second pair 10 and 80 we get another one, that you get as sine square 10 plus cos square 10, which gives 1, and so on. Like this, how many pairs we have? Total 8 pairs are there. Means this we get 8 terms, plus one more angle is left over. This is the 45. Means exactly in the middle you will be getting, that is sine square 45 degrees. Then 1 plus 1 up to 8 terms you are getting 8, and plus sine 45 value we write. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, but since it has square, then that will be whole square, which is equal to 8 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2, which is equal to 8 and a half. 8 and a half or 8 plus half, both are same. So this is what we need to prove in the question. So even this is involve little bit analysis. You need to understand what is the relation between sine and cos whenever it is a squares, and whenever two numbers make some 90, you can use the relation. This happens for sine cos, even for tan and cot. Okay, if you go through all the basics in previous videos, you can understand this better. Okay, we move to next question.